Hi everyone, Sandy here with my showcase video for my second project that I designed for Country Craft Creations using Graphic 45's beautiful Love Notes paper collection. This is a secretary writer's desk box. It's a pretty good size. It's going to be hard to show you in a video. It measures lengthwise on the side here about 9¼ inches. And then, of course, the width from the front or the back is 7¼ So 7¼ here. The height, the total height is 8 inches here at the tallest, and then here at the front, it's about 4¾ right here at the slant. This part here is 4¾ Now it has the slanted door, as you can see, where a person would lay something to write on. Now I put a frame on mine that I made out of one of the ephemera cards that you can put a photo in. It has an acrylic front. This is a cut apart that just slides in and out. Then I used chipboard. So mine's not totally flat because I wanted it more for the decorative. I added metal hinges here at the top. I have the Graphic 45 lines pull. This lifts up and opens. Got a nice big space in here. I patterned it with the pretty papers. So this opens up and is plenty of room for the album that I designed for my first project. So this is the album. You push it in all the way. I even have roses on it, and it will, as long as it's pushed in all the way to the back, it will close. So that's a good storage container for this particular album that I designed. I do have the showcase tutorial video and the tutorials for this already up. There'll be a tutorial, free tutorial video for how to make this box as well. So you could put letters, notepad, pen, pencils, whatever you wanted to in here. You could even make dividers. I didn't want dividers in mine, so it does not have that. It's decorated here on this top piece. This is part of the box, but then the drawer here does pull out. Now this is an older label holder by Graphic 45 that I don't think is no longer available. But they do have a drawer pull that you could use if you wanted that, or any type of metal pull that you might have. So this pulls all the way out, and yes, I have made something that fits inside of that, so I'm going to show you that in a little bit in another video. It's my third project for Country Craft Creations using this paper collection. What I had in my designer package was 3 of each sheet of the 12 by 12 of the pattern papers. I had 1 full pad of the patterns and solid by the set for the same collection. I had the sticker pack, chipboard pack, and the cards and ephemera, and I had some roses. The Graphic 45 roses is what I used on the album. I had some lace that I received in my designer package, and then seam binding ribbon, some beads from my stash. And all the metal hardware is from my stash. So that's my second project. It was really fun to create. Actually, it's pretty easy. Once you get it assembled, it's real quick to pattern and finish that up, and then you can make an album to go inside or use it for whatever you want to. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to shop countrycraftcreations.com for your supplies. She does carry all the Graphic 45 products that are currently available, paper collections, so check there for your adhesives and check back. Be sure to subscribe. Click the bell for notification so you'll know when the tutorial videos are ready. Thank you. Bye-bye.